Hey guys, here's a Monte Carlo Mini ceiling fan. I picked this up off of the side of the road a while ago, and I never got around to filming it. It came pretty much all complete, but when I went to remove the globe, this was one of those models where the globe twists on, and when I went to untwist it, it slid on the track with the threads and shattered itself. So that kind of sucks. The light kit is right here. I just didn't put it up for the video, but it's there. Didn't have a light bulb when I got it, so. I think this fan is from April of 2005, I'm pretty sure. It did not come with this pull chain. That's just from that little fan I have. And yeah, so I'm going to demonstrate it. Here's low. It's not in the best shape either. I mean, it's pretty filthy on top. I didn't clean it yet either. Doesn't perform terribly though. It always had a pretty nice breeze. I probably wouldn't install it anywhere in the house though. It's kind of ugly to me, so. Medium. Drop the lights. There's a little bit of bearing noise. And here's how. Kicking out a little bit of breeze. It says Monte Carlo Mini. The blades are pretty yellowed. And they're really dirty on top. Yeah. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.